Log into your ThemeForest account, navigate to your Downloads tab, and then locate your Arnold purchase. Click All Files and Documentation to download the file to your computer. Unzip the downloaded file. The file named Arnold2.zip is installable file. Log in your WordPress, navigate to Appearance, Themes. Click Add New, then Upload Theme. Choose Arnold2.zip. Click Install Now. Once the file has uploaded, click the Activate link. Navigate to Appearance for Install Plugins. Click Install under BM Content Builder. Navigate to Plugins of Installed Plugins, activate BM Content Builder. Navigate to Arnold Theme, Import Demo. Pick up a data, click Import button. It completes the data import if the button text is changed as Imported completed. You can check the imported demo website now.